This is our 4-poster deer treatment bait station used at Highland Hill Farm. You can come to the farm and see how we have this set up. This is a demonstration unit that we have showing deer eating at the feeder. The feeder has a trough, and it also has a hopper that feeds the trough and limits the amount of corn being used. This is a picture of a deer before treatment by the USDA at their test station. This is a deer after treatment at the USDA test station. The deer bait station has 4 paint rollers on it, which rub against the ears of the deer while they're eating. It's an efficient way to kill ticks on your property. This bait station has killed up to 98% of the deer ticks in an area. It's recommended that you use 1 feeding station for every 40 acres to get adequate coverage for your property. This feeder uses only, and I repeat, only whole, clean corn. And the deer will only eat about 1.5 pounds of whole, clean corn per deer per day. So it's not that much per deer to feed these deer and treat them. The storage bin for the corn on the deer bait station can tell you how many pounds of feed are being consumed by the deer. This relates directly to the amount of pesticide you're going to apply to the paint rollers. You need to follow the directions on the label to figure out how much pesticide to apply to the rollers. It's not difficult. It's very easy to do.
This is the applicator gun. By squeezing this, fluid will be sucked up through this tube that goes into the can. This is the pesticide. Follow the application directions and wear gloves. This is a new unit, so it's not dirty. But you'll draw in the amount of pesticide needed, and then you'll just push it down on top of the paint roller. So it's very easy to use. If you have any questions about it, read the directions. The directions are thorough.
When placing corn in the feeder, do it on a dry day so the corn does not get moldy. Deer will not eat moldy corn, and moldy corn won't flow through the system to the troughs where the deer feed. We like to keep track of the amount of corn that is consumed, because with the knowledge of the amount of corn consumed, we can figure out using our pesticide label how much pesticide to add to the paint rollers. Also, we like to make sure that in the trough where the deer feed, there isn't much corn. When there's a lot of corn, they can eat it fast and they don't get as much of the pesticide on their ears. We want them to work at the station to get the pesticide on their ears. We check the pesticide. We check the station once a week to make sure that the hopper where the deer feed from is clean and that the corn will flow out, that we have corn in our storage bin, and that we have the correct amount of pesticide on the paint roller applicators. In this manner, deer in your neighborhood will become your tick-killing machines. The efficiency of this feeder in eliminating ticks in an area can be upwards to 98%. A 98% reduction in ticks will mean that your likelihood of catching the Lyme disease will dramatically go down.
At Highland Hill Farm, we like to recycle as much as we can. If you have things in your garage or in your barn that you don't want, maybe it's something that we would be interested in. Some of the things that we're looking to acquire right now through trades and barters here at Highland Hill Farm include PVC pipe. We'd like to get a quadcopter so that we can do aerial photography on the farm. We would like hand tools, plumbing supplies. If you have used hunting gear that's laying around or fishing gear, give us a call. We also want well casings, black poly pipe. We're looking for barbed wire and woven wire for some of our fences. We also use a lot of well pumps because we have a lot of different wells on different farms. We're looking for game cameras and security cameras. We also need more fence posts such as locust, cedar, and pressure-treated fence posts. We also will buy or barter for Bobcat attachments, Bobcat parts, Bobcat rims. We're also looking to buy or barter for a used shaker buddy to screen topsoil. We also allow you to drop off unwanted items at the nursery, such as suppose you have a bunch of old nursery pots that you want to get rid of. Give us a call. We'll take them. As long as they're larger than 1 gallon, we'll take them. We have piles of them. And we also allow people to come and pick through our piles of pots and get a couple if they need them. So give us a call at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 to get some of our beautiful trees and shrubs just by bartering and trading. Whoa, you don't need money in America anymore. Barter and trade at Highland Hill Farm. Thank you.